Hey everybody, welcome back to Kicking It in the Second Half. Kish YZ, we're bringing to you another Shooz episode. I have another unboxing sneakers of a James Harden shoe. This is for Jeff. Shout out to Jeff because I told him, I do some James Hardens, trying to run down different basketball shoes. Hopefully help him find a pair. Maybe when we go shopping next time, you'll pick up something that you like, but like I said, this is going to be a James Harden shoe. So shout out to ES as well, because I know you're a big James Harden fan. We did a PPF video on James Harden, so this is also in reference to you as well. And here is the box, the shipping box that it came in here. I know it's like, man, that's a big old box. Is this like a high top sneaker? No, it's not a high top sneaker. I just actually have another pair of shoes in here, so I'll get the one pair out that we're going to discuss today, because these other pair of shoes can just go in a different video. And Finish on actually rubber band these two boxes together. I've never seen that. Well, I don't think I've really ever ordered two sneakers together, so put that to the side. Get this other box out. Throw that in the back. It's not going to fit down there, but that's fine. So yeah, before I get into the sneakers, I want to let everybody know, remind them that April is Limb Loss Awareness Month, and as a part of supporting that, I'm donating $1 to the Limbs for Life Foundation for every subscriber that we have by the end of this month. So yeah, definitely help us get those subs up and give us a like if you like the video. Give us a thumbs up. On our YouTube page, we cover. Basically, we do the shoes here and there, but we do NBA basketball talk where we do a podcast, we do a debate, we do PPFs, which we call player breakdowns, past, present, and future of individual players in the league. So yeah, definitely check that out. And also look for us on Anchor.fm and Spotify for the audio-only versions of our podcast. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of these James Harden shoes. Now, this is not his signature shoe. Right now, he is on the James Harden 5. But these shoes kind of look like the James Harden 5, like fundamentals. This is his other shoe. I think it's called the Stepback. This is the Harden Stepback 2. So I think it's way cheaper than the other signature shoe that he actually has. I think this is runs $50 cheaper. So this shoe is under $100. I like the way it looked compared to the James Harden 5 in the similar colorways. So let's see what y'all think. Once again, that's the rubber band that Finish Line put on the box to tie it to the other box. But here's a look at the box here. There's the Harden logo symbol there, like a gold foil colorway. ADIDAS on the box. It's not that trefoil logo because it's not an originals. It's the modern logo. Blank on that side. Oh, Harden on that side. We're going to get a beard. We're going to get a beard. No beard. Just the tag there. Harden Stepback 2, if that will zoom in. There we go. And I'm going to read the colorway. It is black, yellow, ACIMIN. I don't know what that is. I might have said it wrong. I don't know. They make up colors all the time. Whatever the color they want to call it, they just give it a new name. It could be anything simple or anything like we've never heard of, or just in a different language that's not English. So, man, this. Okay, let me start out saying this. I'll turn this box around this way because already I feel like disappointed in a way because the paper wasn't dressed over the shoe. So let me show you what I'm talking about. There it is. So that's how I opened the box. There's no dressing. I don't think anybody tried these shoes on, but I could be wrong. They came from Finish Line. They might have been in the store and somebody tried them on and then they shipped it. I don't know. But let's look at the shoe. The paper does have the ADIDAS and Harden logo on the paper. Let's see if we could get any of that paper. Yeah, I like talking about the paper, not focus on the paper too much, but just to show people that the paper sometimes is decorative, or just a little touch of class to how they want to dress up the box or the unboxing of the shoes. But here are the shoes themselves, and they look very similar to the way they did the Harden 5 fundamental shoe as far as these patterns and the colorway. It's like exactly the same, but for me, these looked a little bit more sleek and a little bit more casual everyday wear shoe, and a court shoe as well at the same time. I'm not sure how the performance of this shoe is, but man, some of these colors, what stood out to me when he was doing some of these shoes, especially the Signature 5 shoes, is that it kind of reminded me of that series of the Kyrie 5s when he did the SpongeBob colorways of the SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward shoes. Just all these different notes. At first, I thought they were going to be like flower petals or something like that, but I'm not sure what to make of the shapes. But I like how it's different. That looks like water droplets there. And it looks like a shoe, if I'm being honest, that came out of Mario Brothers. Like the graphics were pulled right out of the video game from the 90s, early 80s, or late 80s, early 90s. Got a little touch of like a sand color brown there and some orange on the pull tab for the tongue, and then the back tab there for the heel is like that yellow bright color, kind of like the NMD shoes that I did yesterday. Let's see. Can we get a little bit of that color? I don't know. But yeah, nothing too special about this shoe. Inside, there's the Harden logo once more. And let me get the other shoe out. Yeah, so the technology used in the shoe, in case you're wondering, for the people that like to ball in these NBA player shoes, it's bounce technology. I don't think I've had anything with bounce. Boost is very comfortable. I think they put bounce, or at least they used to, in some Damian Lillard shoes. Here's the traction pattern on the back, on the outsole of the shoe. It's just got 3 stripes, nothing else on the bottom that says Harden or anything like that. And here's the other shoe. Nothing that stands out that looks any different. So just a mirroring image of this shoe. Once again, let's take a look at it up close. Both pairs side by side here. Yeah, tell me what you think. I think this is kind of like a cool casual shoe. How would you wear this? Just kind of wear it with anything. Wear some like black joggers and then pick a shirt that matches any of these colors or none of these colors, to be honest. Depending on how you want to do your fashion up top. But yeah, just start out with some black jogging pants and just go from there. So work from the bottom up with these shoes. If you want to pull off a casual look, in my opinion, that's what I would do. I might touch on some notes of, maybe the pink and teal. If you kind of want to rock like some Miami Vice wear or something. But, I don't know. You could kind of do different things with this. Maybe if you just want to wear all black and get that Adidas hoodie that has the All Day I Dream About in this colorway, that bright yellow, that would be kind of dope for the fall as well. Like, you just have so many different tones of color to kind of bounce off of. I might not wear too much, like, as far as trying to stand out with the orange. Maybe less of this color, yellow. And, I mean, you can obviously go white. White's like a neutral color there. But I'm more focused on these colors here as far as anything I might want to make the shoe pop even more. Like I said, I would definitely go black bottoms. I mean, what do y'all think about with this gear here? I don't know. But yeah, let's thank y'all for watching the video here. Sorry, I don't know if that froze up on y'all's end. It looked like it froze up on me for some odd reason there. But yeah, here it is with, like, I got this Brooklyn shirt on for, the Brooklyn Nets. I got this white Adidas, old school track jacket here. This Nets beanie there, but it might go with this. I am wearing some black joggers. Sorry, I can't give you a full view of everything I'm wearing all at once. Maybe I should start putting some of this on like my IG or something, eventually, like, wear this even if I'm not wearing it out. Just take a picture somewhere in the house and kind of show you what it looks like on foot along with some of the gear that I might wear with it. That might be kind of cool. You know, check us out on IG. I don't have really anything on there right now, but maybe later on when you are checking us out, I might have some of that stuff up there that I'm talking about now under Kish YZ. That's KISH_YZ. So yeah, maybe that's something I need to get into. Leave in the comments if you want me to do that, and I'll work on that when I can. So, but once again, yeah, these are the shoes. I really like the colorway, and like I said, it was under $100. I think they were $80, so that's not a clearance price. That's just regular price, and I think there's plenty of them online. I got these particularly from Finish Line, so yeah, if you like these, go look for them there. And yeah, like I said, shout out to Jeff. You know, looking at this here, the way this shoe kind of stretches with this material up top, this mesh-like material, I would say it's going to be a good fit as far as, you know, stretching out. If you have a slightly wider base foot there, you know, that looks kind of wide there, and the shoe definitely kind of widens out towards that base there. So give these a look. They might be a little bit narrow here, but that's probably just a lace adjustment. But yeah, like I said, just kind of narrow here, and then it kind of widens out there. So you got, you know, some toe box area to work with there, and bendability there, which I don't think was a major thing for him. But yeah, Jeff, check these out. And I think they come in other colorways, more of a basic white and black colorway if you don't want anything that pops out. But like I said, I really like these, and I think they could be worn casually, easily with just, you know, starting out with some black joggers and then work yourself up to the top. If you want to say very basic, just go white up the top and black at the bottom, and then wear something like this. But $80, I don't care if I ball in these or not. I just want to wear them and just, you know, walk outside with them and go wherever I want very casually, and just kind of have some accents that stand out. So once again, thank you for kicking in the second half, Kish YZ. This has been another shoes video. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to check out more of our videos, you know, feel free to do that on our YouTube page. And also make sure you give us a subscription, please. Subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on for when we do more drops, more sneaker reviews, our podcasts, our debates, our player breakdowns for NBA players, you know, all that good stuff. You know, thanks for having us on your YouTube video stream. And yeah, that's all I got to say for these. So everybody, peace and love.